best off is a chair. So I can tell the seal by the weight. Little piece of aluminum here. Okay, is there anything in here? Metal chains, 2 of them. Little metal frame. Not sure what that is, but it's something. It's got copper in it. Here's another frame. Some copper. Glass with steel. Break the glass off. Okay, we did good. Okay, here's the metal here. A little bit of metal there. That's not enough metal to grab. Oh, look at this. More copper. Okay. Hanger, a couple, some tools, and more copper. And that's a cute little on and off switch. Oh, look at this. Excellent. Little tools here. Actually, I'm not going to put that in the garbage. I'm going to hang on to some of that. Oh wow, look at this, it's stainless steel. It has 15 functions. It's like a multi-tool. Like I say, I'm going to hang on to some of this stuff here. Look at this, it opens up. It's a multi-tool. Actually, it's just what I need. From here? Yeah. Out, right. That's what we're here for. Look at this. Oh, look. Some steel inside here. Man, a lot of these poles are steel here. You don't want the bamboo ones. Metal is metal. Oh, there's one more. There's another one. Gotta sort them out here. Another one. See something there. Let's see some metal. Okay, I see an umbrella in there. Right here. Okay. Fan box. Sometimes they throw away the old fan. Or metal parts for it, which is what we're doing with scrapping. It's always worth looking in there to see what they got. It's a little thing, but they're wire nuts, and we're always having to buy them, so I'm just going to put those in my pocket. Brand new. Okay, I see a gas tank right here. That's metal. And we take those and drill a hole in them. Obviously, oh, it's empty. Oh, he's got a hole in it, so we don't have to do anything to it. Okay, these poles are starting to add up. Steel. Travel tour. Oh, look at that. Alright, let's see a chair. Oh yeah, metal. Oh, look at this. Saves me metal only. Okay, all these poles are starting to add up. Get the steel one. Yeah, plenty of light left in it now. Look at that, it looks like it works. This is for washing the truck. Okay. Obviously there's a little electronics here. Don't know what that is. And cords to the vacuum. And I'm not sure if they're working or a vacuum or what. Keep looking. We got some clean aluminum here, some fascia and soffit. And here we have what we call dirty aluminum. It's got plastic and little metal screws in it. Same with that umbrella here. I took the cover off. Here's an aluminum tripod, but it's got a little metal in it. Remember that picture? We need to get the frame off because it's aluminum, so and we'll try to snap right there. Get this out. Of course, I'm going to add that to this pile here. All that adds up fast. If you see over here, we got a rug shampooer. Looks like it's going to work for us. We don't know yet. Look at this. We got a radio that works with a CD player on top and a cassette player right here with a cassette already in it. We also got a CD player, AM/FM radio, with a matching pair of speakers. I'm sure this thing's going to work. We're going to try that out soon. We got a box of CD cases here and a box of DVD cases here. We might try to sell those on the internet, but if you look, there's a huge amount of them here. Also, we got another printer here, and it's exactly like the one I have in the basement. So we're going to see if that works soon. And then we also have a garbage shredder. Probably just going to cut the cord right off of it and keep the cords for copper, because we get these all the time. Today we found 3 keyboards. We also found a fan, and it has a copper motor in it. A coffee maker. Another toaster oven. Now, if you remember, we're cutting off all the cords we can to try to save those up. Even the one off the fan here, we're not keeping the fan. But we're keeping all the copper we possibly can. Here we have a toaster oven. I'm going to get all the copper off of these. They add up very fast. And there's 2 ways to do copper. One is to strip it. If you see here, there's a light, little light, and of course we're cutting the cord off. Here's some type of a timer. Okay, it's on an extension cord. We're getting all these cords together here and here. Take a look here. We got a whole bunch of bags from the grocery store. You can always reuse those. This guy threw away something personal called double platinum Pulte homes for Augusta Village. Just throwing away a presentation like that. We have a portable stereo speaker. He just opens it up and set it someplace. Got an on and off switch here. We don't know exactly what it plugs into. We also have all of these 4 controllers that have electronics inside of them. We also found a telephone and some small electronics. I'm not sure what this is. And then also a little trimmer here for getting hair off, a tiny little blades in there. And you can see that that's battery operated right here with one AA battery. We have some, oh look at this, a dental pick. Now that's stainless steel, but these are precision instruments. Here's a dental mirror, and here's another dental pick. Now, of course, they got to be very clean if you're going to use. Oh, here's a solid stainless steel one. This is the one I remember seeing when I was a kid. They need to be sterilized. A couple of small screwdrivers. A little piece of metal here. A little piece of steel. We also found a tool bag like that. We can definitely put that to use right away. It's Sherwin-Williams is a paint company that says paint the world. We also found a lot of photographs that this guy must have been a pilot. Here's an old DC-10 from 1950s or 45s. He's obviously in another country. You see the palm trees here. And then Joseph Martina Labana, I don't know what that says. But look at the instruments of this plane that this guy is flying. Here's probably his co-pilot, possibly, and possibly a pilot. And just looking out of this big airplane. And everything here in this area came out of just this one box by itself. And if you look over here, one of these custom coffee brewers where you put in a coffee cartridge here, put it in and it steams out into your cup. If you remember, if you see here, we got all these brand new light fixtures. I'd like to open one up and see what kind of condition it's in. Oh, well, it's in brand new condition. And see if the globe is good. Look at this guy throwing away brand new stuff. Nothing wrong with it. I guess he just didn't think it was good enough quality for him. Take a look, here's another light fixture. And it's not even broken. It's called a Hampton Bay. All of these are. Look at this beautiful outside nautical light, meaning that it's waterproof. It's got a waterproof gasket on it. It's a little harder to change the bulb, but it's got a solid aluminum frame on it. Here's a brand new water dispenser. If you know, these go in the house when you're hooking up a washer and dryer. And look at this, they're brand spanking new. They've never even been opened. Water closet, and it's got the valves, so the valves are worth $10 a piece, the ball valves. Also, still in the box, not even open, a brown fan. We have these in our house. So, also, we found these 2 beautiful copper cups that look like they've hardly been used. And the copper is close to $4 a pound right now. We found these 4 beautiful cigar boxes, all wood construction. Look at, with a little tack here to keep it shut. We also found this faucet. We know it's used, but it's for a tall sink. We found these spatulas that have stainless steel on them, the bottom piece, and then we got an air purifier here. Whole room tower fan. And then look what we have out here still in the truck. And here's the rest of the stuff we got. Some metal. And we're almost ready to go. Start loading it up. Like I said, we stop home normally to sort out what I call the better stuff. get all this junk up here. Almost ready. I took the scrap down in 2 separate loads. The first load, I got $58.50 for that over here. And on the second load, I got $33.02 for that one. Okay, we just went scrapping. And then we got, for our load, we got $58.50 cash. And then some of the items that I took back was a light fixture to Home Depot. It was brand new in the box, so I have a store credit card for $11.88. And then I went to Menards and returned that vent fan for the bathroom, so I have a check here for $10.71 right there. And then if you remember that big faucet, I took that back to Menards. And I also have a check for $85.52 for all the totals of $166.61. Let me give the money. All right.